At an official function organized by the Office of the Deputy Commissioner, East Khasi Hills District, that was held at the SOSO THAM Auditorium, Shillong on the 6th of April 2022, Chief Minister of Meghalaya CONRAD SANGMA had distributed M-TABs or PC tablets to Class 11 students of Shillong. Amongst dignitaries present during the function were the state's Information and Technology Minister HAMLETSON DOHLING, Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills District ISAWANDA LALOO, officials of the IT Department Government of Meghalaya, besides students and others. Addressing the gathering, CONRAD SANGMA informed that around 35,000 students in the state are expected to benefit from the M-TABs or PC tablets that would be distributed to them as an endeavor of the state government to support digital learning amongst students.
And the point is, you don't get smart because you sit in a smart classroom. You get smart if you use a smart classroom in a smart way. Technology is as good as you use it. If you simply think that you'll be able to take this tablet and hold it and put it in your bag, and you'll get smarter, and automatically everything will go into your brains, well, that's not going to happen. So therefore, yes, technology is a facilitator. Technology will enhance the entire process in which information is given to you. It will make it easier for you to absorb the information that's there. A lot of multimedia will be there to be able to allow you to learn things in a much more interesting manner. You can have the mock tests that are there that will help you to prepare for exams in a better manner. So technology is as good as you use it. So therefore, yes, this program is very important, and yes, this technology is going to help you in many, many ways that you can't imagine. So therefore, please do use it in the best way possible to ensure that you are able to really get the best out of it. But at the end of the day, it's what's inside you that really matters. So it's not so important what's inside the tablet. You have to ensure that as an individual, the characters that require you to become a good student, the qualities that you should have inside you are the most important thing at the end of the day. You need to be disciplined in life. As a student, if there is no discipline, then there's no question of moving forward in life. It's not just a student. It's even we as Chief Minister or Minister. So discipline, hard work, ensuring that you're focused in what you do, ensuring that you have the right positive mindset. These are the qualities that ultimately matter. And technology will only help you enhance those things. So remember to be always disciplined, to always work hard, to always have a goal and a focus in life, and to always ensure that you're positive in your thinking.